Upbeat music plays. A camera zooms in on the table with the Canon EOS R7 on the left and the Fujifilm X-T50 on the right. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you dodge the landmines of bad purchases and find your way to the treasure of awesome products. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, where pixels are king, and your selfies can either make you look like a model or a potato. On my left, we have the Canon EOS R7, the camera that promises to turn your blurry shots into masterpieces. And on my right, the Fujifilm X-T50, a camera that will make you feel like a professional photographer, even if you can't differentiate between a DSLR and an espresso machine. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your camera bag, and which one deserves to be used as a doorstop. First up, the price. The Canon EOS R7 is a cool $1,499, while the Fujifilm X-T50 struts in at $1,799. Reviewers often mention that the R7 is a wallet-friendly option that offers excellent features for those looking to save a few bucks while still achieving professional results. On the other hand, while the X-T50 is more expensive, it is praised for its build quality and image performance, making it a worthwhile investment for serious photographers. Next, let's talk about image sensors. The Canon packs a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, earning praise for its crisp images and performance, especially in low light. Reviewers appreciate its ability to capture clear, detailed photos, making it a great choice for wildlife photography. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm flaunts a whopping 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor. This high resolution is often highlighted in reviews, with users noting its capability for detailed and vibrant images, especially in portrait photography. However, some users question whether such high resolution is necessary for everyday photography, suggesting that the R7 may be sufficient for most users' needs. Now, let's roll into video capabilities. The Canon lets you record for over 30 minutes without interruption, making it ideal for capturing long events or family moments. Reviewers rave about its clean video quality, especially in various lighting conditions. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm offers jaw-dropping video specs, including 6.2K at 30p and 4K at 60p, which is often praised by those looking to create high-quality video content. Users appreciate its smooth video performance, making it a top choice for aspiring filmmakers. So if video is your priority, the X-T50 might have the edge. Let's not forget about lenses. The Canon EOS R7 is compatible with EFS, EF, RF, and the new RFS mounts, which reviewers laud for the flexibility it offers. Users love the variety of lenses available, enhancing their shooting experience. The Fujifilm X-T50 supports all X series lenses and includes a 1.4x and 2x digital teleconverter, which is appreciated by users looking to zoom in on distant subjects. However, some reviews mention limitations with lens compatibility compared to the Canon, suggesting that the R7 may be more versatile for lens options. Moving on to image stabilization. The R7 boasts 5-axis stabilization, claiming to give you 7 stops of shake correction. Reviewers often highlight this feature, stating it helps achieve stable shots even in challenging conditions. Meanwhile, Fujifilm's stabilization features are effective, but some users feel the R7's stabilization system gives it a significant advantage, especially for action photography. For those with shaky hands, the R7 might be the better choice. Overall, Both cameras have their strengths and cater to different audiences. The Canon EOS R7 is often praised for its affordability, solid performance, and versatility, making it a strong choice for hobbyists and budding professionals. In contrast, the Fujifilm X-T50 is recognized for its premium build and advanced video capabilities, appealing to those willing to invest more for higher resolution and video quality. So which camera reigns supreme? If you want a wallet-friendly option with solid features, the Canon EOS R7 is your knight in shining armor. But if you're ready to splurge and capture every detail in stunning quality, the Fujifilm X-T50 might just be your dream come true. Remember folks, it's not just about the gear, it's about how you use it. So whether you're snapping pics of your lunch or filming your cat's next big adventure, choose wisely. If you enjoyed this showdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more comparisons. And let us know in the comments below. Are you Team Canon or Team Fujifilm? Until next time, keep buying smart and capturing those moments like a pro, without breaking the bank.